How much will Optimus Gen to cost, and when can you buy it? The Tesla Optimus Gen to robot is expected to be priced at less than $20,000, making it more affordable than many cars. It is anticipated to become available between 2025 and 2027. Tesla plans to initially use the robot in its own manufacturing operations before making it available for purchase. The robot is designed to take over repetitive tasks from humans, and Tesla plans to use it in its own factories before making it available to consumers, potentially by the end of 2025. The Tesla Optimus Gen to robot is designed to perform repetitive tasks autonomously. It can walk, balance itself, squat, and handle objects with improved precision due to its new hands. The robot is being trained with neural networks to sort objects and perform other useful tasks, making it suitable for various applications, particularly in manufacturing environments.